Are you tired of real life? Tired of laundry, meetings, your own kitchen? Then drop everything and bid like your sanity depends on it. It's the Royalton Punta Cana all-inclusive vacation of your dreams. That's 4 nights, 2 people, 0 responsibilities. Choose between 2 all-inclusive experiences, unlimited drinks, gourmet dining, white sand beaches, nightly entertainment, pool so beautiful you'll forget your own name. You, a beach, a tropical drink, absolutely no email. Meanwhile, your friends are at home eating leftovers and thinking, why didn't I bid higher?
Warning, this vacation may cause excessive relaxation, jealousy from coworkers, and an uncontrollable urge to say, we should do this every year.
So bid high, bid loud, bid like you deserve paradise. Because this is not a staycation.
Includes ground transportation for 2 and luxury room category. Not included are airfare or additional nights, but both can be arranged and purchased with Allison Toombs. Blackout dates are March 29 to April 12 and December 19 to January 3. Must be used by December of 2027.
Happy bidding!